Hello everybody, my name is Tasman, this is Clint and Esther, and welcome to another NZ Wild Adventure. And she lives, just got it prepared about inflatables, and we're just going to go out in Wainui and see if we can find something. We've got a couple of days, so hopefully we can get onto something. Found myself a second-hand sounder for $200, so we'll see if that works. Unfortunately the tiller hits the sounder, but it does work if I face it forwards, so that's alright. The bung was leaking and we've got a tiny bit of water, but I think that was just from the bung. But Clint and Esther just testing out their boat as well, so we'll see how it goes. Maybe 10 or 15 knots, maybe southerly. Definitely a few small leaks that I have to fix up, but nothing too major. Try a spot of kahawai fishing here. A few birds around, it's a good sign. It's odd how many dead fish there are. Looking like a beautiful day. Just gonna head out, try and catch something. Just heading out of Wainui, classic late start of 1 o'clock, so we'll see what we can find in the afternoon. Try out my new sounder. It's got a few waves on it, but other than that it seems to be alright. I wonder if there's a fish. Just trying a bit of jigging and we're just near the salmon farms. It's actually a lovely day out here, it's almost too hot. But yeah, red current still floats. Just got it back from about inflatables here in Christchurch. He did the major stuff and it's looking really good, but just a few tiny holes which he left me to do. But yeah, we'll just go see if we can catch a kahawai or something and then maybe get in the water for a bit of a dive. What are the chances? Okay. I don't know, man. Anything? Oh, get its nose in. This is exciting. So exciting. Oh. It's teasing us. No! That's a good size! Oh yeah! I was not expecting that! Hell yeah! Good, very good netting. That was amazing.
It was quite aggressive, wasn't it?
You have to. If we had gone a little bit too early this morning, never would have happened.
Nah. It's bizarre. It's so unreal, it's bizarre.
It's like it's a kahawai.
Right, just going to try a little bit of dive in here. Completely high tide, so we'll have to back through a bit more extra water. So we'll see what we can find. No stress. The viz actually looks really good, maybe 3 or 4 meters.
Hilarious.
Just going to put my boat in the water. Nah. Nice! Good job! I'll see if I can find a fish this way and then come over there. So it's pretty cool. I wasn't expecting to get that moki. It was a good size. It's about 500mm as well. Just sort of popped out right in front of me, and I just shot it from about this far away. Hopefully that's on film, but yeah, I didn't see any other fish. So a big stingray, a couple of leather jackets, a few powers, nothing of legal size though. These fellas managed to get 4 though, so it's a pretty good, not a bad haul for today. Yeah, so very nice size moki. I'll just got it out here, and I'll show you the power as well. Oh, some of those power are quite nice size. Very good. It's a phat salmon. Very good size. It's gonna be like 500 or 550 maybe, and it's thick. It's gonna be nice. Oh. So we've all got a fright from him. Up we go to try and catch another fish. Right, back at the Seven Farms trying to get something else, so a kahawai would be really nice. I'm afraid of catching the Seven Farm now.
No, same here, everything.
There's some more! Fish on! Wow! Okay, I don't want it to go under the farm too much. That was a good run. Nope, it's swimming towards me. I didn't think he was that close. My friends with the landing net aren't nearby either. Let's see if I can land him. Oh no! Just snapped. Oh, that's a shame. Maybe I do need a landing net.
Put another one.
I just lost it!
What was it?
Big kahawai! Like, good size. He just got off. I tried calling, but you were way over there. But I was just about to pull him in with it, just snapped. Well, we should just double check to make sure there's no birds around that one.
Okay, right over on the way back.
Yeah. Well, it's 6 o'clock, just going to make tracks, just going to see if there's any birds or anything on the way back, to see if there's a kahawai. But yeah, it's a shame to get lost that one. I should have waited to, for the others to come back with the net, but I was a bit eager and the line just wasn't thick enough. Yeah, all in all a very good day, but perhaps we'll see something else on the way back.